this is Advocate Radhika Sharma. So in this video we will discuss the section 350 of Indian Penal Code. Basically तो जो हमारा section 350 है is about criminal force, and the description of this section state that whoever intentionally uses force to any person without that person consent in order to the committing of any offence or intending by the use of such force to cause or knowing it to be likely that by the use of such force he will cause injury, fear or annoyance to the person to whom the force is used is said to be used criminal force to that other. Let's understand with some illustration. सपोज जेट जो है सिटिंग बैठा हुआ है इन अ बोट ऑन अ रिवर. ए unfasten the moorings and thus intentionally causes the boat to drift down the stream. Here A ने जो है intentionally causes किए हैं motion to Z, and he does this by disposing substances in such a manner that the motion is produced without any other action or any person's part. A has therefore intentionally used force to Z, and if he has done so without Z consent in order to the committing of any offence or intending or knowing it to be likely that this use of a force will cause injury, feel or annoyance to Z, A has used किया है criminal force to Z. And now the second illustration, A intentionally pulls up a woman's wheel. Here A intentionally uses force to her, and if he does so without her consent, intending or knowing to be likely that he may thereby injure, threaten or annoy her, he has used criminal force to her. So that's all about today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching us.